coaches were built in 1949 in Montreal, Quebec by the Canadian Pacific Railway. They are about 90 feet long, weigh about 60 tons each. They were called the Lillooet, the Shannon Falls, and the Mackenzie car. We have renamed them Candy View for this end of the line, Falda for the far end of the line, and the West Summerland coach is up in storage called, it's going to be the front of the train now, called, well, their old Winslow was the name of the original siding beyond the Trestle Bridge. McCullough is named after Andrew McCullough, who built the railway. Kurt was a little train stop west of town. Their old stock cars or cattle cars, they were double decks. We cut them down to size, reinstalled the roof and put in the bus seats. Okay folks, we're going to back out onto the bridge in a moment. Now the best view of the bridge will look off to the sunny side as we cross Canyon View Road. You'll see a big curve heading out to that steel bridge. That curve was part of the wooden trestle backfilled in with gravel and sand called ballast back in the 1940s.
How do the wheels run along? Do they have like...
I want the children to realize that, as I mentioned before, the only way to travel 100 years ago was by, well, that's why they brought out the train. Not just because of the gold rush, but also because of moving people out west. Now, what happened to the train? Well, back in 1949, they built another highway, number 3, along the southern border of British Columbia, with the improvement of the roadways, the highways, modernization, airports, demand for the railway diminished. So, last passenger train through here in 1960.